Thank you, yeah.
Goldilocks and the song Happy 40th. Okay, this year we would have been
Actually, alam mo ba't na-delay? Hinintay kang makabalik.
Yun pala yun. For Chris Aquino, for Goldilocks. Here we go.
Araw na to ay araw mo, pagdating mo sa ating mundo. Natatandaan, di malilimutan, kailanman, kailanman. Lahat nagbago sa araw na to, pagdating mo sa buhay ko. Saya ng mundo, ngayong ikaw ay narito. We wish you a happy birthday. Araw na to ay araw mo, pagdating mo sa ating mundo. Natatandaan, di malilimutan, I wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday. How do you remake the happy birthday song? This is how you do it, through Goldilocks. 45th anniversary. Let's work with Sakina. Sa ating mundo, natatandaan, di malilimutan, wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ang araw na po
i-delay natin ang slide. Next year na ulit. Thank you, Christian. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I look forward to directing you.
Here we go.